Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listener.
How are you today, Levent?
I'm great. And listener, how are you?
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes, it's a very good topic. Very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Today's topic is the house, rooms and furniture.
Ooh, I like this one. I love my home.
Me too. Home is a special place. Let's learn to talk about rooms and furniture today.
Great, let's start.
First, let's learn the rooms in a house. Repeat after us. Living room,
Living room,
kitchen,
kitchen,
bedroom,
bedroom,
bathroom,
bathroom,
dining room,
dining room,
hall,
hall,
garden,
garden,
balcony,
balcony,
garage.
garage,
Great! Now let's say them all together. Living room,
living room,
kitchen,
kitchen,
bedroom,
bedroom,
bathroom,
bathroom,
dining room,
dining room,
hall,
hall,
garden,
garden,
balcony,
balcony,
garage.
garage,
Wonderful. Now let's learn furniture words. Table,
table,
chair,
chair,
sofa,
sofa,
bed,
bed,
lamp,
lamp,
cupboard,
cupboard,
wardrobe,
wardrobe,
mirror,
mirror,
carpet,
carpet,
TV,
TV,
fridge.
fridge,
Listener, now you repeat them with us. Table,
table,
chair,
chair,
sofa,
sofa,
bed,
bed,
lamp,
lamp,
cupboard,
cupboard,
wardrobe,
wardrobe,
mirror,
mirror,
carpet,
carpet,
TV,
TV,
fridge.
fridge.
Great job. Let's talk about rooms in our house. This is the living room.
This is the living room.
There is a sofa in the living room.
There is a sofa in the living room.
There is a TV in the living room.
There is a TV in the living room.
The kitchen is big.
The kitchen is big.
There is a table in the kitchen.
There is a table in the kitchen.
There are 4 chairs.
There are 4 chairs.
Wonderful. Let's go to the bedroom. This is my bedroom.
This is my bedroom.
There is a bed in my bedroom.
There is a bed in my bedroom.
There is a lamp next to the bed.
There is a lamp next to the bed.
There is a wardrobe in the corner.
There is a wardrobe in the corner.
There is a closet in the corner.
There is a closet in the corner.
The carpet is blue.
The carpet is blue.
Beautiful. Let's go to the bathroom. There is a shower in the bathroom.
There is a shower in the bathroom.
There is a mirror above the sink.
There is a mirror above the sink.
There is a towel on the wall.
There is a towel on the wall.
The bathroom is clean.
The bathroom is clean.
Now, let's visit the kitchen and dining room. The fridge is in the kitchen.
The fridge is in the kitchen.
There are cups and plates in the cupboard.
There are cups and plates in the cupboard.
There are cups and plates in the cabinet.
There are cups and plates in the cabinet.
The dining room has a big table.
The dining room has a big table.
There are 6 chairs around the table.
There are 6 chairs around the table.
Perfect. I love gardens and balconies. There are flowers in the garden.
There are flowers in the garden.
There are flowers in the yard.
There are flowers in the yard.
There is a chair on the balcony.
There is a chair on the balcony.
The sun is shining on the balcony.
The sun is shining on the balcony.
It's so relaxing.
Yes, I love my balcony.
Let's learn some sentences about the house. I live in a house.
I live in a house.
I live in an apartment.
I live in an apartment.
My house has 3 rooms.
My house has 3 rooms.
My bedroom is small but nice.
My bedroom is small but nice.
The kitchen is next to the living room.
The kitchen is next to the living room.
There is a TV in the living room.
There is a TV in the living room.
Where do you sleep, Levent?
I sleep in my bedroom.
Where do you cook?
I cook in the kitchen.
Where do you eat?
I eat in the dining room.
Where do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the living room.
Perfect. Okay, listener, now it's your turn. Answer my questions. Ready? Where do you sleep? Good. Where do you cook? Nice. What color is your bedroom? Beautiful. What is in your kitchen? Great answers. Let's review today's words. Rooms, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, dining room, hall, garden, balcony, garage.
Got it.
Furniture, table, chair, sofa, bed, lamp, wardrobe, cupboard, mirror, carpet, fridge, TV.
Easy.
Sentences we learned. There is a bed in my bedroom. There is a sofa in the living room. There are flowers in the garden. The fridge is in the kitchen.
Great practice.
Levent, tell me about your house.
Okay, my house has 4 rooms. A living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom.
Nice. What's in your living room?
There is a sofa, a TV, and a table.
And your kitchen?
There is a fridge, a table, and 2 chairs.
Sounds cozy.
Thank you. I love my house.
That's wonderful. Today, we learned about the house, rooms, and furniture.
Yes, I can say there's a bed in my bedroom and there are chairs in the kitchen.
Perfect. In our next episode, we'll talk about foods and drinks. Talk about what we like to drink and eat.
I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you.
See you next time on English with Jennifer and Levent. Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment below. Tell us, what's in your house?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.